In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Nano Banana not working. If Nano Banana inside Google Gemini or the image tools isn't behaving, it usually comes down to access, prompts, or system limits. Let's walk through a clean, reliable troubleshooting flow you can follow from start to finish. Begin by confirming you have access. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account, because features can be tied to a specific profile. Double check that your plan includes advanced image generation, and remember that some capabilities only appear in Google Gemini or Google AI Studio, depending on your region and your plan. If a feature seems missing, it may simply not be offered on your current setup. Next, try a quick refresh. Reload the page, sign out and back in, and test a different browser if you can. Chrome typically offers the smoothest experience. If things still seem stuck, clear your browser cache to remove any stale files that might be causing the interface to misbehave. Now look at your prompt. Nano Banana is sensitive to clarity and policy. If your prompt is vague, add detail. If it's overly long or contradictory, simplify it and avoid restricted content so the system doesn't block the request. A strong starting point could be a photorealistic portrait of a man, cinematic lighting, 85mm lens, ultra detailed 4K quality. That level of precision tells the model exactly what to aim for. Confirm your internet and device are solid. Ensure you have a stable connection. Try another device if available and disable any VPN that might interfere with requests or region detection. Keep an eye out for usage or rate limits. If you've been generating a lot, you might hit a temporary cap. Wait a few minutes, read any on-screen error messages carefully, and try again once the cooldown passes. If responses are still stalled, switch things up. Try a different image generation mode, reduce the complexity of your prompt, or start a brand new chat or session to clear any context that might be confusing the system. Make sure you're on the latest platform experience. If one interface feels unstable, test the Google Gemini web version or open the same prompt in Google AI Studio to compare results. If wording seems to be the blocker, rephrase. Lead with generate image of instead of create perfect. Remove conflicting instructions and split complex ideas into smaller, sequential requests. And if nothing works, it may be a temporary system issue. Give it time, check the service status if available, and try again after a few hours. With these steps, you'll usually get Nano Banana back on track quickly.